Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will learn about application for urgent piece of work. The principal, Hera School and College, Dargah. Subject, application for urgent piece of work. Respected sir, with due respect, this is to inform you that I have an urgent piece of work at home, so I can't come to school. Therefore, kindly grant me leave for today. I shall be very thankful to you for this kindness. Your obedient student. Name, date 2020, 12, 13, class, and roll number. Tap here, teacher, wine, channel. After that, subscribe it and click the bell icon for the latest video.